We'll start here outside the garden. You got the field tires. There's 26 first row tires, and what we do is we have our starter potatoes that go inside there. It's about 2 in each potato. And once they break the surface of the dirt, you put another tire on. You see a bunch of them have gotten 2 tires already. They break the surface, put a tire on, fill it with dirt, and repeat. We're probably going to go 4 tires high total. We made a deal with a local mechanic who, has to pay to get rid of his tires. You got to try and work with the people that you know locally to, help each other out. And a couple of the middle tires there's only one. They're getting away on us. The potatoes are getting pretty tall. We're gonna have to trim a few of the leaves before we bury them so they don't rot. But 2 in each tire, 26 tires. Looking at over 50 potatoes. Potato plants, that is. Each potato plant gives you multiple potatoes in each row. When you do it in the fall, you'll push each tire off one at a time, and the potatoes will be growing right in the ring inside that.